In the high-stakes world of forex trading, where fortunes are made and lost, there is a dark reality that many aspiring traders face: fraudulent brokers. These unscrupulous entities are often the reason behind the majority of traders experiencing significant losses. Today, we delve into the issue and shed light on the dangers they pose. As novice traders enter the forex market, they are confronted with the multitude of forex brokers vying for their attention. While there are reputable and legitimate brokers, a significant number of fraudulent brokers lurk in the shadows, waiting to exploit the unsuspecting trader.
I trusted the broker with my hard-earned money, only to realize later that they were manipulating the prices and executing trades against me.
These brokers employ various tactics to deceive traders and profit at their expense. Let's explore some of the common ways fraudulent brokers operate. First, they employ misleading advertisement and marketing techniques, luring traders into extravagant promises of quick and easy profits. They use cleverly crafted websites, fake testimonials, and attractive bonus offers to create an illusion of credibility. Once a trader signs up, the manipulation begins. Fraudulent brokers often engage in price manipulation, artificially altering the market prices to trigger stop-loss orders and force traders out of their positions. Another tactic employed by these brokers is the restriction of withdrawals. They make it incredibly difficult for traders to withdraw their funds, imposing high fees, lengthy verification processes, or simply refusing withdrawals requests altogether. This effectively traps the trader's capital within the broker's control. The lack of regulation in some jurisdictions allows these fraudulent brokers to operate with impunity. They set up shop in countries with weak regulatory oversight, making it challenging for victims to seek legal recourse or recover their lost funds. However, it's crucial to note that not all brokers are fraudulent. Reputable brokers adhere to strict regulatory standards, provide transparent pricing, and prioritize the interests of their clients. Before choosing a broker, it is essential to conduct thorough research and verify their credentials. In the world of forex trading, the threat of fraudulent brokers looms large. They prey on dreams and aspirations of traders, exploiting their trust and hard-earned money. By staying informed, being vigilant, and choosing brokers wisely, traders can protect themselves from falling victims to these unscrupulous entities. Remember, due diligence is crucial when selecting a broker. Always research their reputation, read reviews, and ensure they are regulated by reputable authorities. Protect yourself, and your investments from the dangers of fraudulent brokers.